Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, Lynn's Art and Design. Today I want to share how to make an ornaments and pet ornaments, since somebody requested how to make a pet ornament. So I decided to make it. It's not Christmas yet, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. But anyway, together with the ornaments, I will make some mugs and tumbler. I'm gonna put some design. So please join me, and I'm so excited to share my ideas. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So click the cricut. And then new project. Upload. Upload image. Browse. And upload. And it will come out like that. And now we will select simple. We just need to select the simple one and continue. Now we're gonna clean this image. Just put the plus sign where you want to clean the image. Click that one. See, the backgrounds came off when I click it. Click that. Click. There you go. Alright. And then apply and continue. There you go. And then click cut image. And click upload. So now that is already uploaded to Cricut, now we're going to make new design. And then click upload, and then upload whatever we did a while ago, and then add to canvas. Add to canvas. There you go. And then we're gonna resize that. We're gonna size it. So I always do it in a small size, this one, because it's hard to put it in the ornaments. So that one is good enough. So now we will click make it. It will come up like that. So this one we don't have to mirror the image because we're using permanent vinyl. So the heat press vinyl is the one that you have to mirror the image. So this one you don't have to mirror the image. So that's it, and then all we have to do is click continue. Click continue and it will start cutting. So that was all for today, and I'm so excited to show you my next video. The next video that I'm gonna make is I'm going to recycle a pickle jar. Pickle jar. I'm so excited to show you my creation on pickle jar. So, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so happy for your support to my channel. Thank you very much.